Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane and this is a beauty channel and I do vlogs as well. Today I'm making a wig. It's a coily hair. This Weavon also came with its own coily closure, as you can see, and this is just to breeze through the process. And I also have a lot of detailed tutorial videos on how to make a wig. I'll link them up so you can go check them out. Thank you. Yes, and I want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family, and to my friends that have always been here, thank you so much for the support. A client brought this in for Wigging, so I just want you to just enjoy this video and leave me your comments. Tell me what you think about it and how it turned out, and if you like a coily unit, please let me know as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And also give me a thumbs up. Okay, so enjoy. I will see you in my next one. Bye.